Orlando Pirates have lost a very, very talented young man in Relebohile Mofokeng Mara. It's not the end of the world. How many players have Orlando Pirates lost before? How many players have come and gone? Orlando Pirates. Uteko Modise uzile ahamba. Thembinkosi Lorch uzile ahamba. Vilakazi uzile ahamba. It's not the first time that we lose a big player Orlando Pirates, but the club continues to do well nonetheless. So it's not the end of the world. Nyabona abantu abaningi bathukile. Yeah, how is Orlando Pirates gonna survive without Relebohile Mofokeng? Can Orlando Pirates replace Relebohile Mofokeng? To answer your questions, yes, Orlando Pirates can survive without Relebohile Mofokeng. We've played without Relebohile Mofokeng. We've won games without Relebohile Mofokeng. Even last season, there were games that Relebohile Mofokeng was injured. Orlando Pirates still played well and they won the games. And of course, Relebohile Mofokeng can be replaceable, but we're not going to forget him. Ibriliantsaki will always be remembered and we'll always appreciate him, and he'll always be a Buccaneer. Hence the saying, Orlando Pirates once and always. Buccaneer forever. Let him take the world by storm. Right, but there's a pool of players that Orlando Pirates can choose from to replace Relebohile Mofokeng. As much as it hurts me to say, Uguti, maybe we might not have a number 10 as effective as Relebohile Mofokeng, because Relebohile Mofokeng was a versatile player. He knew how to play on the left, he knew how to play on the right, and also bekakwazi ukudlala ko number 10. But when you look at the number 10s esinazo that could potentially replace Relebohile Mofokeng, lawo machitela when it comes to versatility bayalekanyana, but there are number 10s that know how to score goals. So you have someone like Utito. Tito is a possible replacement for Relebohile Mofokeng. The only thing meaning denying Utito is slow. Angaze ngabona umchito slow kanje on the ball. Utito slow, even his decision making in the final third slow. Now those are some of the things that Relebohile Mofokeng had ahead of him. Lento lekuthi Mofokeng makafika boxing and uyakwazi ukuphakamisa shoot, especially towards the end of the season. Labantu laba besebamfundisa le finishing. Utito should learn from those things. But the only way Orlando Pirates can completely forget about Relebohile Mofokeng asambeni sosayini Peter Shalulile. Orlando Pirates forget about uNdlovu. It's fine. It would have been nice to see Siyanda Ndlovu play for Orlando Pirates, but because umfana ufuna imali eningi and it seems Orlando Pirates didn't offer him the amount of money le ayifunayo, mhlawumbe uzoya ku Mamelodi Sundowns. It's fine. He can go to Mamelodi Sundowns and be another Saleng there and be a bench warmer asinandaba naye. All I'm saying mina right now is Orlando Pirates must go sign Peter Shalulile, because the biggest problem that we had last season Orlando Pirates was not creativity. It was finishing with final third. It was not the creativity. Chances would be created, but we didn't have a prolific striker ubeka kwazi ukufinisha. Yanela Mbuthuma last season beka swaka ayikho ayenzile for Pirates. Evidence Makhupa beka swaka ayikho ayenzile for Orlando Pirates. We didn't have a striker beka kwazi ukuthi abo Muremi mabacrosser afinishe. Peter Shalulile is that missing puzzle. The best way to replace Mofokeng, and I know but abadlala ma position afanayo, but all I know is that uShalulile yena makangena abanye abantu uShalulile yena makangena uzongena kora magoli. That's what I know. Peter Shalulile will give us the goals that we need. And then at number 10, you have another player, Kabelo Dlamini. Kabelo Dlamini can play in that position like Relebohile Mofokeng. Orlando Pirates hasn't released him. He's very creative. He knows how to break down a low block. He knows how to score set pieces. Mofokeng angi to score ma set piece nyana last season. Kabelo Dlamini knows how to do that. Mofokeng uyakwazi ukushaya ama pinpoint pass. Kabelo Dlamini knows how to do that. Mofokeng uyakwazi ukutake on ama player. Kabelo Dlamini, as slow as he is, he knows how to take on players. So it's not really a big loss for Orlando Pirates, but a big gain, because Mastola la 67 million leba sayina nga Mofokeng. Sehamba futhi so sayina ama player. And Orlando Pirates, please continue to hunt for Maxwele. Continue to hunt for Maxwele lapha ku Golden Arrows. He's another player ongangena and add to i-attack yethu. Hambani futhi niyolela lo mfana lo Junior Dion, because ngizwile ukuthi Orlando Pirates ngathi bakhuluma ne Golden Arrows, but also the problem is that when it comes to Junior Dion kunamanye ama team from abroad that are interested in this guy. But if Orlando Pirates can take la 67 million by 7zise kahle, and then if Ozona policy is also signed na bathatha imali yakhe bagcwalise and sign the right players, I'm telling you, sizoba nawo ama solution laphana in our attack, because as I said when I started, we've played a couple of games without Relebohile Mofokeng, and Orlando Pirates did win those games. There was creativity, we did create chances. There were times where Relebohile Mofokeng was not in the game. Akona Orlando Pirates, it took the likes of Tito to score the goals. It took the likes of Sebang Muremi to score the goals. It took the likes of Viano Ozona Police and on top of that, Ukamba Relebohile Mofokeng, and it seems we might lose Ozonapolis also, because Ozonapolis didn't fly down Nebafana Bafana. Ozonapolis was Asele United States. Apparently he's on holiday. Rumor has it in the streets, Uguti. The reason Ozonapolis Asele, there's an ongoing negotiation between a European team and the Orlando Pirates. Once that goes well, then Ozonapolis will fly straight to a Europe now. So, Mina, what I'm saying is, Ukamba Kwalabant Lababuitu could be a blessing in disguise for someone like Kamhelos Belebele. He now doesn't have to play as a right back. It means Dino van Rooyen, the original right back, uzodlala kula position leana, Kamhelos Belebele can push forward and be a forward, and then Sebang Muremi on the left, Sihlenduli, Makehleni Makaula, Talent Mbata playing as a number 8, Saibulala Tlari number 10. And if Coach Abdeslam Mowadu doesn't want to play with the number 10, then you have Peter Shalulile. What more do you want? What more can you ask for? One thing about Orlando Pirates, I like the fact that they went and signed a lot of players, building squad depth. We all saw, Buffett, with last season, Orlando Pirates, Begmelo Wilu Elichis. Begmelo Wilu Eli lineup, you had to be consistent for you, Guzulale last season. So it's not really a loss, Mapagapaga. Instead, we are happy for William Mofokeng Agahamba Yoshina, but we still have a lot of players that can deliver for Orlando Pirates, that want to play for Orlando Pirates. Now, all we ask for management is that please sign Shalulile and offer him imali ecacile. Don't offer him peanuts, because bazomthatha abomakhelwane, and if abomakhelwane bayamthatha, then we continue to have an issue lapha phambili. Sign Peter Shalulile, release Yanela Mbuthuma. Release Yanela Mbuthuma. Yanela Mbuthuma, he can even be a free transfer as mind. Release Yanela Mbuthuma, and then get a prolific striker that can be that missing puzzle in Orlando Pirates attack. But mina, another thing ebengifuna ukukhuluma ngayo is Ozonapolis. If Ozonapolis Oyahamba, he made history. It took him one season, go Orlando Pirates, to win the league, to win MTN8, to win Kaleng Knockout, to play Gunet Bank Cup, to go play KEF even though angadlalanga kakhulu, and now he's going overseas. LEP play only in one season he achieved all of these things, and he's definitely a contender for player of the season. By the way, EPSL announced this Friday our nominees for our awards with PSL. We all know William Mofokeng is gonna dominate. He's probably gonna win an award now, because udlale kahle World Cup yahambe overseas sebazomupa as lentuze ukuthi asiyabonga hambe uyodlala and be successful elsewhere, even though Ozonapolis deserved it. But yeah, ngivala lapho bafethu. In closing, I don't think Orlando Pirates is really gonna struggle without Relebohile Mofokeng. Like I said, there were games where Mofokeng bekangekho, and then other players took it upon themselves to score the goals for Orlando Pirates. Abo Lebone Siemo know how to score from range. Abo Kamhelos Belebele know how to score. Abo Tsepang Muremi know how to score. Abo Tito bayakwazi ukuscora. Abo Kabelo Dlamini bayawathatha ama set piece, bayawacreate ama chance. Naba nabo Mthiani bayeza, they gonna add into midfield yethu. Lo mfana lo Nuslepe has been promoted naye. Uyadlala. Sambona Cameron Denson uyadlala. Lo mfana lo DDC Upopo, the dribbling wizard. He's also been promoted, by the way, to first team Orlando Pirates. Nalo mfana lo bamsayinile Orlando Pirates from Mutsepe Foundation League. I believe Lomfana Loana is very effective, good on the ball. Mapensela is a risk taker. Yakwazi ukuthatha abantu. He's a bully in that midfield. So now Lomfana Lo uzongena and contribute and add to attack Orlando Pirates. When a player leaves a team, the one thing about a team as big as Orlando Pirates is that the team continues to be big, and the team continues to be a dream destination for other players. So if Mofokeng leave, Mofokeng joba hambile ayodlala lapha Belgium, good for him. But Orlando Pirates will continue to flourish with or without him, and he'll always have a place in our hearts. Buffett, Kumbulane, we lost to Teko Modise and then we won the league straight to Hambo Teko. When a lot of people are saying that it's the end, Orlando Pirates pelile ngayo angeke signs are next. We won the league. Wahambu andile jali. Orlando Pirates yaqhubeka yadlala. There was a time where Orlando Pirates even played the semi-final of CAF Confederations Cup without Yenu andile jali. Orlando Pirates lost to Thembinkosi Lorch. Just when Lorch left, Mofokeng came to the occasion, kwaba wiki player. So I'm telling you, there's someone that's already there, already gutatata ishine. That's why I'm saying, Kamhelos Belebele, this is your opportunity to shine. Should we lose Ozonapolis, Pakamisi Sandla boy, show us what you are capable of. Show us why now we're both Dalag World Cup. You also come from the World Cup. You are an international player now. Dalag la position. Muremi, although na yuguna ma rumors, but yuguna ma team approach Orlando Pirates. Orlando Pirates are losing a lot of good players, but What's nice is that there's a lot of depth in Orlando Pirates, and there are a lot of players that are on standby to take over. The only players mina ngicela ukuthi Orlando Pirates ingaphindi badlalise bangaphinde badlale Orlando Pirates Masindi Nemtajela. Please, Masindi Nemtajela akahamba ayodlala elsewhere, Yanela Mbuthuma akahamba ayodlala elsewhere. Lo Mashilwane lo mamloni la ngazi bamloneleni ngoba kube bavele bamrelease. Undaba, thank God there's Urapo manje uzodlala lapha ku left back, he can compete no Hoto. Undaba naye akahambi. We want the best Orlando Pirates because we want the CAF Champions League, but rebuild the squad depth management, and then please sancenga bafethu hambani nolwela uPeter Shalulile.